We are live, ladies and gentlemen. Today we talk Zebek and some coins. Obviously, you're gonna tell me some coins. We're gonna look on your coins. We're gonna talk Bitcoin. Is the cycle top is in? Ooh, and what does it mean? If you have question, drop it now. We're gonna make it nice and dandy. Okay, this is Zebek. Okay, let's look on Zebek first. Zebek. This is Zebek. Look, Zebek is still bullish. You can see that you had a big crash on Zebek, but at the moment it's holding well. The 200-day is sloping up, 50-day is sloping up. Price is still above the moving average, which is good. Okay, it's actually, we need to stay above this level, above the 45. Make it, no, sorry, 43. 33, stay above it, not close below it, and then obviously you need to take the highs. Okay, by the way, you need to clear the highs. If you can clear that high, the 53 Zebek, I believe, will start going strong. We'll see if it will happen. Okay, we'll see if it will happen. Keep in mind you have Kraken listing in like 2 days. Today is Monday, so on Wednesday they should list it on Kraken, which can create volatility. Let's see, maybe it will be a bullish event and will break out. Could be sell the news event. We shall see about that. But at the moment, Zebek is still bullish. Still bullish. Still bullish in Zebek. Let's look on the momentum here on the weekly candle. Going up. We had a stochastic cross last week, and it's still going up even after the flash crash, which is good. 2-week gotta cross up. 2-week gotta cross up for us to really start melt up. Monthly probably not exist yet. It's a young coin. Anyway, Zebek, bullish on Zebek. Waiting for it to break the 53-ish area. Till then, I am not touching it for a long. Okay. Now again, let's look on the bear and on the bearish kind of case. You don't want to see it breaking below these levels here. You can see there is very nice support here. We have the double bottom structure that should not be violated. You don't want to see a close below it because it can trigger a sell-off to the range lows. Okay, again, just telling you the truth. What can happen if some conditions are met. But at the moment, we're not near it, so that's cool. The 35 level is very important. You don't want to break below that level. And we shouldn't, because we have a bounce now also on the stock market and on Bitcoin. I will show you exactly what I mean. Do me a favor, like the video, subscribe, share it on your X. Do me a favor, give some love for us. Let's look Bitcoin. Let me take a clean chart here. The Bitcoin. Take a cleaner chart here. All right, so this Bitcoin as well is having its own range. You have this range here. As long as it's above the 107, 107 500. Let's make it 107 round. It's good. If Bitcoin break below the 107, that can be bearish. Okay, if it's holding here, doesn't matter. Down, up, doesn't matter. Altcoins can continue higher. We see it already in the charts. Altcoins keep going higher. Altcoins are printing. I'll show you a trade we took today, already up 60%. Insanity. The altcoin market is bullish. It just the majority of the coins are waiting for this scammy Bitcoin to stop with the bullshit. But the market is bullish. Remember, as long as Bitcoin not violating the 107, if it closes below the 107, we can start a bigger correction. That's Bitcoin. Now look on the S&P. S&P having a very nice bounce today. Okay, you can see that's the S&P 500 bouncing back above the 50-day. Again, if the S&P start taking the 50-day, you can see here, this week, for example, it can send crypto for a bigger sell-off. Again, some coins will keep pumping even if the S&P and Bitcoin are dumping. Some coins are keep pumping because we are in a bull market. Still, Bitcoin is above the 50-week MA, so there is no problem. And look what happening today. The Bitcoin dominance is very good. Okay, something very good is happening on the dominance. That was the flash crash. The Bitcoin dominance exploded for a day. Sorry, the daily chart. But now you can see it's doing a PP. That's what we like. The PP man looks like he's showing for the dominance. Okay, you want to see the dominance coming down. We believe if it's clear the low, the 57%, we're gonna go to a blow-off market for the alt season. Probably a final blow-off phase, maybe a couple of weeks, and then we're gonna see the cycle top, probably to this area or maybe even lower if we're lucky to the 50% dominance before a major crash. We will see again, but again, we need to break that level, man. That level, that's the daddy. 57% dominance. You need to make a lower low. If it makes a lower low, Bitcoin is cooked. It doesn't matter what Bitcoin will do. Ethereum will rip, XRP will rip, big caps will rip, BNB will rip, and dominance will keep crashing, and altcoins will go nuclear. That's what we want. Let's look on the comment. Any comment, any question, drop it now. We're gonna keep it nice and quickie. Good afternoon, Mr. Kevin. Hello, John. Hello, sir. LFG. Do you think the new ZBCN listing will matter that much? Absolutely. Listings are important. Look at Kaspa. Once it got listed on Kraken, look at Kaspa. Okay, that was the Kraken listing. See, 19th of November 2024. Look at the Kaspa full chart. 19th of November. Let me mark it for you. The 19th of November. Yeah, 19th of November. What? November it was? Yeah. Here, man. This was the night at 19th of. Let me go back to see if maybe I made a mistake. On Kraken listing, 19th of November 2024. Yeah, weird on Kraken. Let's look on the regular chart. 19th of November 2024. That was here. Okay, so on the Kraken chart, it made a double top or something like that, and it just collapsed. Okay, that was the listing. Okay, that was the Kraken listing. It went a little bit higher, pookie, and then look what was followed. Sell off from heaven for short sellers, obviously. Now, we don't know. There is no guaranteed in trading. Okay, everything is speculation. But major listing are usually bearish for the coin. Usually, if you look on probabilities, on the odds, okay, they are important. Yes, they are important. I can show you many examples for listing that collapse the coins to zero, man. Not to zero, yeah, but send them for a brutal correction. BTC look like dead cat bounce. Yeah, could be dead cat bounce. Again, this Bitcoin is not the matter now. The altcoin season is the matter. The altcoins are the matter. If you're looking on Bitcoin and you trade in Bitcoin, you are a clown now, okay? People that trade Bitcoin now, they are cookie. You liking Zebek? Yes, sir. I like Zebek. Yes. Just wondering, because I have a big bag of Zebek, but holding if this long has been getting harder, lol. Yeah, man. Zebek is, that's why we're not holding, okay? That's why holding is a scam. Because if you've been holding Zebek all that time, you're pretty much going sideways, probably in the red if you've been buying somewhere between May and October, okay? That's why we don't like holding. Holding is absolute dog poop. You're not taking profits on the pumps. and you get wrecked on the dumps. That's absolute madness to hold. To hold is madness, especially crypto, man. Crypto? Pfft, ever hold crypto. Again, hold them when they breaking out from their bases. That's where you trigger a hodl. But you gotta take profits. And when they topping out, you gotta take profits, man. Because you can always trade the next breakout like a champion, like what we're gonna do. Okay. Why to be in all the mess when you can trade? Meanwhile, look at this. Look at this trade that we took today, man. Okay. Just want to show you, man. People wasting their time holding cryptos. Look at this trade, man, from today, man. 10 hours ago, I think it was. We shared it. Look at this trade, man. Okay. That's the membership, the VIP. The coin name is H. Okay. I'll click it. It's already open here. You can see H. Buy now. You see October 13. That was you can see the date here. 10 hours ago. CM trading fees, crypto mindset VIP service. 10 hours ago. Look at H. Buy now. Price was, what was it? 82. Okay. 0082. Look at that. You remember 82? Look at H. USDT. Where is that nonsense? Look at that. 82. That was our entry, mate. Already went up, hit all our orders. Pretty much. All our orders, max gains 61% in like 10 hours. Less than 10 hours. What your coin is doing? Nothing. You're holding. Why holding? You join the VIP. You buy breakouts with us. You take your profits. You grow the account. Your account is going up. Your P&L is going up. You hold the coin. Your account is going like this. It's up to the fucking coin. You don't want to be dependent on the fucking coins because they are all Ponzi's. If you do, you are insane and maybe a baboon. Okay? This is what you want. You don't want this. You want this. This is what you want. Or you want this. Okay? You don't want this. You know what I mean? That's how you grow your account. You trade the winners. You trade breakouts. You trade breakouts in a bull market. You don't want to trade rubbish cooked coins. Again, I'm bullish on ZBCN, but I'm not buying it before it's breaking out. I tried last week. It failed, got rejected. You can see? It failed and got rejected. Now I'm waiting for the actual breakout. I'm not going to front run the breakout now because there is a risk it might fail to break. Okay. You see the double top here? That's not good. You have a double top here and you had a double top here. That's a double top trend line. Now, if it cannot break that trend line, look down below, my friend. Look down below. And we are not holding. So we're not really, emotionally connected to the stupid coins. We trade them. Buy breakouts, take profits, rotate the money to the next breakout. Keeping runners on the winners, obviously. Keeping runners on the winners. Show you a trade. We have a runner on it still from the October 1st. Look at Soon. Soon we bought it. You can see the trade here, October 1st. Price was 40 cents. And this was Soon we had another trade on October 3rd by the break of 56. Look at Soon. See? This is the trade. Okay. That was the entries here. 40 cents. Okay. 40 and 56. See? Two entries. This coin, we're holding a runner. Max gains already 145% in 10 days. And the second entry around 70%. Get me? You don't need to hold. You just need to trade the right coins on the right time. Take your profits and rotate. If you want to keep a bag for hodl, a moon bag, keep 20% of it, 30% of it. After you cash out gains and you can buy yourself a Lambo in the end of the cycle. If you're not taking profits, not cashing out gains, you're never going to buy a Lambo and you're never going to be able to invest in real estate, and stuff because you're going to get cooked. You're going to lose everything. Get me? KOI or Sky AI? These coins already exploded, very high risk. KOI looks like it topped out to me. Let's look on the regular scale. Looks like a major top for KOI. I wouldn't touch it with a laser. Absolute garbage. Again, it already exploded. If you bought it here, kudos to you, but probably not the case. Sky AI already also getting destroyed after a huge bomb bounce. Very volatile. Scam rubbish. Not for me, man. We trade liquid, safe coins. We don't trade the pump and dump scam coins. Let's look on ETH. Smash the like, subscribe, share it on your X. Do me a favor. I look on your coins. Do me a favor. Click the like. You just take the stupid mouse or the stupid finger and you just click on the like. Take a second of your day, and it's life-changing for us. Look at the Ethereum. That's Ethereum. Looking for a bounce to clear the highs. At the moment, it's in no man's land. It can go both up or down. We don't know. We wait for the triggering event. Breaks above this level, we trigger a long. Dump below this level, we might short it. Probably short other coins because Ethereum kind of strong. But yeah, that's what I have on Ethereum. There is no alpha there. If you're holding, you're a clown. You see, Mr. Gormic Sock knows. If you're holding, you're a clown. It's not even a clown. It's a baboon clown. It's like, it's not even a human clown. It's a monkey clown, Holding, like they're holding the world on their shoulders. Yeah, I see that now. I signed up for the bootcamp and 1 month VIP so I can improve because you guys are dead on accurate. Thank you, man. Welcome aboard, Crypto Rob. We'll see you in the webinar and in the membership. Explain to the audience what your edge was for H. The edge? I don't know if the baboons can understand, but we'll try. H, man, look at that. See that? Ignore the flash crash, okay? All coins had the flash crash. Look at the tightness here of the line. Look at this. Look at this. It's like a triangle here. It's like an ascending triangle, See that? It's actually more VCP type of a consolidation pattern. Okay, that's bullish, man. That's very bullish. And it was near an all-time high. You had like a little downward trend line kind of here that broke today. Bam, bam, bye-bye. Triggered. That was the triggering event. It's very simple. But most people will never trade it because they will not have this coin even on the radar. This is a new coin. No one knows what the F it is, what they're doing. I don't care. I just watch the coin. I add all the bullish coins to my watch list, while most people in crypto, 99% of the people looking on the same cooked stupid coins, we search for the next bangers. That's why we find Soon, we found H, we found Take, we found so many, man, in the last 12 days. Unreal. We even nailed Dash. We nailed all the privacy hype, the privacy coin hype. We nailed many others. I already forgot, man. Because we do the work, man. Most people, they're lazy. First, they're lazy. Second, they're ignorant and they're unprofessional. They have no fucking idea what they're doing and they're lazy. So, again, they're going to lose to professional people or professional traders. I did the H and other ones you posted. Woohoo! Welcome, man. Enjoy. Bling, bling. How does it feel to join a service and already bling, 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 bling? Tell us, Mr. Rob, Crypto Rob. Tell us, how does it feel to join a service, stop being a hodler, and immediately Blink, blink, blink. By the way, check out the message I send you with all the videos on how to buy breakouts and get yourself the Bitunix account, obviously, with my link. The best exchange. I trade mainly on Bitunix. What else do we have here? Soon such a nice price structure with those tight bars before breakout. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. That's why, man. That's why we trade it. Facts. Cheers. Aster. Aster is cooked, man. Dead. Where is Aster? Look at that. Was all the hype. Everybody was talking about Aster. Aster is going to change the world. It's the next best exchange. It's the CZ dog. And look what happened. It is cooked, man. It may be done for the cycle. It is cooked, man. The swan is taking a huge shit on Aster. Dead. Dead man. Dead man, my friend. Dead man. It's the only one. I don't know why it's showing this name instead. Oh, the only one. Oh, the only one. You have a lot of names, man. I originally got at 7, but got out in the first run-up. All right. Kudos. Kudos. Now I'm back in. Kudos. Do you think Kaspa could reach $5 by the end of the year? Oh my God. Are you serious? Are you serious? Are you serious, man? Did you look on the chart? Kaspa is dying, man. Kaspa is in a brutal bear market. Brutal. $5? Man, go, I don't know, buy a candy or whatever. I don't know. What are you eating? What are you smoking, man? $5? It will not probably not gonna break the all-time high at 20 cents. What are you talking about? It's on it's hit 1 cent on the crash, below 1 cent on the crash. What are you talking about, man? Are you insane, man? What are you on meds? What's going on, man? What's going on? What's going on over there, man? Cooked, man. Cooked. You buy Kaspa, man. You're gonna be you're gonna be poor. You're already poor if you're invested in Kaspa, but you're gonna be homeless. You're gonna be homeless by next year. What else do we have? Sip, please. IP, please. I made some gain on it, but it might be cooked for now. It is cooked, man. IP is cooked. IP is cooked, man. IP is cooked. It is cooked, man. It just got rugged. That's it. The big daddy of IP sold all his stupid IP Ponzi coins, and it is cooked, man. There is a big chart here. Yeah, you see, the PP man came to IP and it broke the entire chart. This is insane crash. What is it, like 90%? Oh boy. And it started even before the flash crash. Cooked, man. We traded it all the way to the top, and that's it. We cashed out. That's why we trade, man. I don't understand people that hodl cryptos, okay? They are all Ponzi schemes. All these coins, from Kaspa to Bitcoin to Ethereum, all of them, they have their own insiders, their own whales that buy or get the coins for free before they even have a chart, before they get enlisted. And these people, when they want to sell, they sell, and then they crash the entire coin. That's why they are Ponzi's. This is an unregulated market. It's the wild, wild west. If you're not managing risk, if you're not using stocks, if you dare to hodl, oh boy, you're gonna go, man, all your wealth, or I don't know how much funds you have in your account will disappear completely, man. See, I'm printing this year, bro. I've been printing since 2019. Actually, printing 2017, 18, I got wrecked in 2018. Since 2019, the end of the year, started printing. Found my strategy and my know-how and smashing it. But yeah, I'm getting better. I'm getting better, man. I'm getting better, and the market getting harder to trade. That's the problem. Market getting harder and harder. So I don't know how they hodl, man. I'm using a different name on WAP, but yeah, it feels good. CM already made me some money. Man, just make sure to follow the trade alerts to the T. Don't risk too much on the trade. Follow the capital allocation, follow the stops, follow the take profit, follow the market updates. You're gonna do very, very well, man. And remember, some of our trades, we're now in a great momentum. Very nice strike. All the trades are banging, most of them, but some of them expect some trades to hit your stops and take a little loss here and there. That's okay. It's part of the doing business. Overall, all these bangers that doing 60%, 70% doubles, they will cover up all the little 10, 5% stop loss losses. And overall, your account is going to grow substantially in the coming months. Whether Bitcoin go down or up, it doesn't matter. We don't give an F. Bitcoin trigger a bear market, we're going to print short in altcoins, and Bitcoin stay here or topping out, and altcoins keep pumping, we're going to long altcoins and keep printing. What else do we have here? $5. Man, this guy is smoking. He's smoking baboons. That's what he's smoking the baboons. This guy is insane. 100, yeah, 100, maybe 100 rupees. Oh, he's joking. Good. He's joking. Thank God. Yeah, I knew he's joking. XRP. Let's look on XRP. Yeah, smash the like, subscribe, guys. Do me a favor. Drop a question now. We're gonna wrap it up shortly. XRP is kind of cooked, but I'm waiting to see if it's breaking back above this level. I'm taking a long 3.2. Breaking back above this level and the downward trend. I'm gonna wait for 3.2 before I'm buying. I'm waiting. I think it's gonna take it some time to reverse to if it will reverse and rebound. I think it will take it some time, maybe in a couple of weeks. But I'm open for everything if it want to reverse back above the 3.2. Oh yeah, 3.2. Start a position for me. Yeah, but at the moment I'm not touching it. I touch only the bullish coins, man. Only the bullish coins. XRP can F you. Tau short. No, I don't short Tau. Tau actually is kind of strong. You don't want to short coins, man. You don't want to. If you don't know how to trade, man, don't short, man. Really, do yourself a favor. Don't short, really. It will cook you. You need to know how to short, when to short. You don't want to short without major experience or somebody to guide you. Okay, that's not a short, man. Might be a long later, but it's not. It's definitely not a short. It's one of the strongest bouncing coins, probably from the top 100. It's one of the strongest on the bounce. So you don't want to short this, man. You don't want to short it. That's a big mistake. Can't wait until Michael Saylor starts capitulating the bear market. Oh, yeah, it's going to be brutal. It's going to be brutal, man. Saylor will crash crypto, send it to a bloodbath, man. You saved me with epic chain. Cheers. Cheers, mate. Oh, you wanted to buy or something? Or you sold? Let me know what was the saving all about. Epic chain was not epic at all, I remember. Epic was a big... Oh, boy. This coin is dead. Dead, man. Head and shoulders collapse. Bye. This coin going to zero and below. It's going to be delisted from all the exchanges. They're going to crush it. They're going to cook it. It is cooked, man. Glad I helped you, man. Smash the like. Don't forget to smash the like for us. We help people. All we need is likes. What's your all price target for ZBCN? Hey, this is just the beginning for Kaspa. Okay. Why is holding for clowns? Because clowns get wrecked and all hodlers get wrecked always. Look at the history. All hodlers are getting wrecked except the Bitcoin hodlers that can hold, and they buy in the right time. All the crypto hodlers, all of them are cooked, smoked, toasted. Look at the history. Look at the last cycle, man. They're done, smoked, man. Because if you hold and the price action sucks, you're missing out on other gains by not being liquid. That's one reason. Second reason, most coins are Ponzi's. Gravity will take them down to zero, and the hodlers never sell, they never spot the top, and they never spot the bear market. They are clowns. That's why they are clowns. They have no idea. Complete clueless about markets. They believe in nonsense that the favorite moon boys are selling to them. That's why they are clowns. What do you mean? Future a dictator. What? Kaspa is wrecked. Kaspa is wrecked. Are you a millionaire? Millionaire? No, I'm not a millionaire, man. You mean liquid millionaire? No, man, no. No liquid millionaire. I'm investing in real estate every cycle, buying property. Every cycle, buying property. That's my job. Slowly, getting wealthy. Wealthy. Not a millionaire. Do you have a trigger for starting a bear market? Yeah, break below the 50-week MA. That's it. Cooked. Bitcoin below the 50-week MA. Close below it. That's it. Bear market. Bye-bye. Call the police. What's up, my dog? How you doing, man? How you doing? I sold Epic Chain when you said it was cooked. You see? It pays to subscribe to this channel. It pays. And maybe you should consider join the VIP, man, because imagine, we told you should join Elite VIP, but saved your bump from the Epic Chain Ponzi. Imagine how much you can get ROI. Not just by saving, by actually putting capital in the right coins that actually going up, making you ROI. Join the membership, join VIP, stop wasting time. You're wasting time, you wait for YouTube. YouTube is nonsense entertainment. YouTube is nonsense entertainment, nothing more, man. You want the alpha, you want the edge, you want the bling bling, you want the money. Join VIP, man. Change your life forever. Really, change your life forever. I got wrecked holding. You see, this guy knows. He's genuine. He tells you they're honest. Me too. I got wrecked holding too in 2018. Every time I'm holding a coin, I'm getting wrecked. Me, and I'm a pro. Okay, back in 2018, I was a baboon. Now I'm not holding. Never hodl. Hodl is a scam. They want you to hold so they can sell. So there will be no sellers because everybody are holders waiting to get slaughtered. Man, can't you see the scam? Bitcoin bear market price around 70K? What are you talking about? The low? Man, Bitcoin bear market, next bear market, maybe you're going to get a financial crisis, should get financial crisis. I wouldn't be surprised to see Bitcoin below 20K again, even 10K. Man, some people, oh, no way. Man. Let's see. 70K is gonna break below in the first quarter of 2026, easy peasy. Maybe in this quarter, man, it's cooked. Once it breaks below the 50-week, it's cooked. Whales will eat it alive. Will cook it. you don't know what is a bear market, man. 70K. It's going minimum to 30K, 25K minimum to 30K, 25K. Minimum, probably more, probably lower. Anyway, guys, thank you guys for watching. Smash the like, subscribe. Do yourself a favor. Stop wasting time. The bull market will be over this quarter, probably, just like any other cycle that Bitcoin had. And crypto, this is the best time to trade crypto. We have longs going bazooka, altcoins going bazooka, but not all of them. Most of them are cooked rubbish pieces of Ponzi's that will take you down to zero with them. Most coins already topped for the cycle. You need to find the ones that are breaking out from bases and going to new highs. and printing, and also take your profits and run away and rotate to the other coin that's breaking out. You don't want to be sitting on coins, cooked coins, waiting for something that never happened. Actually, then the bear market will trigger and your coins will go to zero. Do yourself a favor, join VIP, change your life forever from a baboon to a professional trader. It's very simple. It's not that hard, man. You just follow the trades. You're going to make ROI, easy peasy. By the way, we have the webinar coming. If you want to join our bootcamp, it's going to happen, I think, next week. Check out the details. We have the details there. I think next Wednesday. We have the bootcamp. Yeah, it's gonna be live. We're gonna have live trading session. We're gonna give you all our watch list, all the breakout trades that come in, all the best coins to trade, whether it's short or long. Okay, we're gonna give you all our top trades that are coming, future trades that didn't trigger yet. We're gonna give you all of them. Many coins. We put them on your watch list. This part of the webinar is like bling in like no like, you know, unbelievable. This is dirt cheap, and also you're gonna come up with skill set, you know, mindset, how to trade, how to buy breakout, how to chart, how to do everything you need, and you also can ask questions live, me and Jomo on the bootcamp. So really, do yourself a favor, book a spot. You also have a coupon running on the code below. Right here you can see Crypto Endgame Bootcamp. Yeah, go have a look. Go have a look on our WAP. You can look on the bootcamp. You can look on the VIP. Check it out, man. Very